What do I do if my parents are becoming confused and cannot handle their finances?
Well, it's an odd situation. They both become confused at the same time. I'll say that. So if that happens, could be because somebody's like maybe you're drugging your parents. But let's just say that your parents are getting older. Um, what you should do before they get to the point where they don't have sound minds is you get a power of attorney, and that way, should they become unable to make judgments for themselves, you already have a legal document which allows you to take care of their financial needs, put them in a health facility if that's what they need. So, and they're not very expensive. We do them, and again, they're not very expensive at all. But if you have older parents, it's just good to go ahead and get those legal documents done. And maybe you'll never have to use them, but most people will go through a period, especially when they get older, where they're going to have some level of dementia, and it's much more expensive and difficult to get a court order than if you just had a power of attorney done. It's the same thing with wills. Wills are incredibly cheap, and if you have a will, you can get the estate taken care of in 6 months. Attorney takes maybe 3% of the estate, versus if you don't have one, it takes 2 years. It's about 10% on legal fees. Again, these are just estimates. But I would say everyone needs to get a power of attorney if their parents are 70 or older. I think that's just a bench, what I would say. And then I would say everyone needs a will, especially if they're married or have any kids, or they start having, their assets there. So I would recommend those.